It's anything automotive. It's from A to Z when it comes to any information and any product that you would ever want to learn about.
We have, training, we have education, we have networking, we have all the products, across 1,400 product categories.
My college sent me to make sure I'm up to date. So when I'm teaching stuff, I know what the latest and upcoming stuff coming out is. And then also we buy equipment, so for the college and for the students. So we come here to get the best prices, the best deals.
We have training in Joe's Garage. We can actually work up under the cars. We can teach and train, and the hands-on learning is the best, I think, that anybody will find in the automotive aftermarket.
It's all about learning what's going to come out and what's going to keep us going in the industry.
It's really every single customer is here, all the suppliers. It really is the one place you can really get a lot of business done.
Walking into Apex, it kind of gives a different feel, a different look. It's more of the cutting edge. Like, you're going to find out more information, like things you can learn about.
Join us at Apex.